Hello and welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial I will show how you can create a table in MS SQL and how you can insert it again like the previous video, and then I will show how you can use left join and inner joins in MS SQL, so you can see how easy it is, like when you use MySQL or similar databases. So thank you for watching, and we will start now. So go for a database, table, and create table. We want the ID, and then we want an int because it should be auto incremented, and it should be here. We're folding it out, set it to yes, and we want this should be department, so we need a department title. Should be varchar 50 is okay, and then we can say country. It should be Denmark. 50. Sorry, binary should be varchar. Yeah, and country could be Denmark, and country code should be 2. But let's say 10. That's fine. Let's call it ISO, like DA_DK, EN_US, and yeah, you know it. So we know with language the department used in this country. It's not so important. And we need to refresh, and let's say we want to put a department ID. We could use it inside here. This, if we design a database like this way, it's meaning the employee can only fit to only one department. So if you have a department in 2 cities, this will not allow, only if you use department 1 ID, department 2 ID, and yeah, you know that. So this way would be not the right way. So close it and click no to not to save it. Let's create a new table. We can call it department key, the department ID, sorry. It should not be null, and we need to say employee key ID, sorry, and those should not be null. That's cool, and we don't need an index right now. We will create this later, so let's save this. Call it the employee bind department. If we refresh again, we have it here. So let's close this one, and we need to insert a new department. So let's select this fine, insert into, to employee. Sorry, it's the wrong one. same values. We want to say CPH, stay for Copenhagen test, and then we want to say country Denmark, and the country is DADK, and then we want to insert it. Execute. Okay, we have a design issue here. So let's say varchar and save it. It's cannot be. So let's say delete this column, save it. So not okay, we will recreate it just a second. It's faster. ID. And turn here. And it should be right. Call it department new, just in case. It's not so funny to have it twice, so let's try this one. Yes, this working. Cool. And we close this and execute. Perfect. Execute again, find a new one. We can say Berlin test Germany. D, I think, just a guess. And here we go. 2, yeah. And select all from employee. Select all from I have a type of bug here. Yeah, that's working perfect. So now I learned that you can drag it inside, it's fine. So this should be 3 columns here, yeah. And we say everything. It's not so advanced again. Yeah, 3-1. And what we want is to insert into or bind database. And what we know is the department ID. And the employee ID. We don't need this. So this employee is number 1 and it should going for Berlin. Copenhagen. 1 and 1. And you can see here it's working. And we can say 2. And it's working. So you can see the employee is my name. It's working as it should. So let's add one more employee just for fun. Let's save this. Go back. Insert here. And let's say never mind. So let's make a select from a join from employee inner join the bind, and we can call it db bad word ed on eid is equal to ed employee ID. This should have something. Yeah, it's working fine here. Just this one, and let us more readable here. And what we want here is inner join by the department too. On ed the ID is equal to department ID. Okay. Columns. That's fine. It's late here in Denmark, and my typos is very bad right now. But this is more so you can get the more understanding about inner joins in MS SQL. So in this case, we don't need all the one. We only need the full name from employee, and we need the department. I'm so bad right now. So let's say columns, department, and we want the country, and we need the country issue. That's the only thing we need, and voila, it's working. So that's about inner join, and you of course can use left join, and you can use right joins. In this case, everything working, so no necessary to try it. But I hope you understand what this is, and I hope you can use it. Thank you for watching. If you love it, make a like below and make a comment. I hope you enjoy my tech videos. I will create more soon. Thank you for watching. See you.